just arrived in India. Look at all these people. They're just trying to hustle and bustle. Look at all these people. They're trying to get people to come out of the hotel, out the airport, so they can con you. They all say, come in, come in, come in. Let me take you where you want to go. Come in, come in, come in. Yeah, I'm in India. And this is what they do. I'm just looking for my hotel driver. Can't trust all these over here. Nah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good. You from Chennai Park? Look at these little buggies. Little buggies. This is what we was riding in the other day. Actually in the seminar area where a lot of the stars come, you know, and they come and they stay in this area at the hotel that we were at. But it's very busy, busy street here. We're getting ready to go to the temple. Where they shave off the woman's hair. So we are going to the temple. When the women cut off their hair, they surrender it to the God as a blessing and as a sacrifice. This is your Angelica coming from Abundance Hair Bundles. I'm here in India right now, and I should be bringing back I will be bringing back the unrolled processed hair straight from India, single donor, double drawn, cuticle aligned, as you can see. But this hair does not shed, it does not tangle, and it's natural hair straight from the donor, which means that the hair was actually cut off, and I did get the opportunity to see that too. Cut off of the woman's head. They use it as a sacrifice, but those of you who know about raw hair, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this is a 34-inch. We will have, if you want 34, you want 36, we got it, okay? And then this is, because our website and the business specialize in colored bundles. We specialize in colored bundles. For those who know me, I like to wear colors, and I do ombres and different types of colors to the hair. So this is what we'll actually be using, because we don't want to strip the hair, you know, that's already bleached anymore. So we use this, and whatever color you desire, with whether it be red, green, orange, whatever, ombre, psychedelic, hey, whatever, we can do it. So this here is actually the body wave or loose wave. And this here is the long, straight. Natural straight. And then we have here, this is a little bit shorter, so we'll be having all length. But I need you to look at it. I need you to see, you know, I need you to see the width of it. I need you to see that. I need you to see the edges. The edges are not dried out. They're not dried out. They're natural. You have to treat this hair like you would treat your own natural hair. So we're coming live. We're coming, and we will have everything ready and set to go for you. www.Abundance Hair Bundles. Look us up. You can buy online. You can contact me. But we'll be ready. All right, I'm doing my inventory now. These are my 20-inch. I will have it in all textures, curly, wave. This is my 30 inches right here. Straight, wave, 26 inches right here. 22. 20 straight, wavy. These are some of my blondes. So I'm just waiting for my inventory to be shipped to me from India. Continue to place your orders. But this is only a handful of what's to come. This is not my full complete order, but this is just 3 packages that I received on this week. So next week I will be receiving some more closures, frontals, but just keep those orders coming, and we will have everything you need.